Enjoy every spoonful of tender bamboo shoots. Mingle with creamy coconut milk. This spicy bamboo shoots in coconut milk will sure to spice up an appetite. We will need 2 or 3 cups of fresh or canned bamboo shoots. Wash thoroughly to remove acrid smell. Next, heat enough water to boil the bamboo shoots. If using fresh bamboo shoots, boil for at least 1 hour. And for canned bamboo shoots, you can cook for just 5 to 10 minutes. Boiling bamboo shoots helps remove some of the bitterness. Carefully drain the water and set bamboo shoots aside. Heat cooking oil in a wok over medium heat. Sauté garlic until fragrant. Add sliced onion and cook until translucent. Dip in 6 or 8 shrimp for additional flavor. Cook the shrimp until color changes with pops of pink or red. Add chili to give the dish a flavorful kick. Some fish sauce for umami. And a dash of salt and pepper for seasoning. Mix it a bit and let sit for a few seconds to let the flavors infuse. Remove the shrimp, then set aside for the meantime to avoid overcooking. Add the boiled bamboo shoots and stir to combine with other ingredients. Pour in the coconut cream. Stir and cover the wok with a lid. Let it simmer for 3 to 5 minutes. Add water if needed. Cover again and let it cook for an additional minute. Return the cooked shrimp and mix to incorporate. Optionally, add more chili if you're a spicy lover like me. Remove from heat and transfer in a serving dish. Serve and enjoy with steamed rice, or pair with your favorite fried dishes. For more delicious recipes, tips, and guides, follow Amiable Foods.